Okay, girl, you got this. Here, let's get you some towel.
That's great.
There we
That's
go.
really good. Nice noises.
Okay. Okay. You're doing great. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so it's feet first. Okay,
Try not
so
to push, just breathe deeply.
so if gravity, do we need to change our position so
No,
that
she's
gravity can
good.
help?
This
Okay,
is
we're
gravity.
good. Okay. Okay. Yep. Just keep going. Yep.
And let
It's
the baby hang. So you don't want to hold the baby up. You want to let the baby hang.
Okay. It's coming out. Good job, Mom. Keep it up. Yep, almost there. Almost there. You're doing great.
When she gets to the umbilicus.
Now she can push. Yeah.
Okay. Yep. Keep pushing. Yep, you're almost there. Oh, okay. Oh, you did it, Mama.
I did it! She did it!
Here you go. Here's baby.
Hello, baby! Baby! Oh, hello!
Looking very healthy.
That's so you're bonding with your baby. And you could go help her, Ambria, to help her get, maybe go behind her or whatever she needs, if she needs to lay down.
You could give me some ice cream if you want.
Maybe a drink. Maybe she needs
Water here. Maybe we'll do ice cream in a little while. There's some water. You deserve some ice cream. That's a good one.
So we might help her lay down,
Yep.
and we might help her get baby skin to skin on her chest.
Yep. There you go. Can you lay down? There you go.
If she lays down flat on her back, then we have a better idea of how to get baby breastfeeding and check bleeding. I'm sorry, that's not very easy when you're doing that. Okay, you can roll over now.